Hello everyone, welcome to a new SolidWork tutorial. Today in our SolidWork we are going to use our new product to create a new product, and it is all about how to create a mold inside a solid object. So first of all, to making a mold you need to make your pattern. So we are taking a front page normal sketch there. In here, for solid object, definitely you can make anything object for your mold, and I am designing a pattern for my mold according to your requirement. You can design anything whatever you want, but make sure that should be a solid product. Okay, and I am drawing a solid. I designed this thing randomly so that I can I can complete my this I can finish my this object very much quickly. Okay, then go to the features, click revolution, bias and revolution, and click OK. Then here is my, and give their rotation is 360 degrees so that you can make a complete rotation. Then click OK. So basically our pattern is ready, and now we have to create a solid object. So then again we take the front plane normal then we are going to sketch, take a corner rectangle. Okay, I am not assign any kinds of measurement in my rectangle because of I am doing this assignment randomly, and the measurement is not required for, but for you, when you are going to make your product, on that time you need to be must be assign your as measurement according to your requirement. Then go to the features, click the extrude boss, and extrude up to your product body surface or the thickness. Sometimes you can bring it more than your thickness so that a half of the body can cover or can immerse it in the your body, in the solid body. Okay, then again here make sure that you are unticked the merge result, otherwise you cannot make the cavity on the solid body. So I select an unmerged result and click OK. So you can see there that your body is half of your body is immersed on the solid body. So now we have to create the cavity in a solid body. So first of all we have to go on insert, go to the features, and we have to go combine there, and you need to select the main body on which we are going to create our mold. I select the main body, click in subtracted, where I am already had done this thing, that's why it is not required for me, it is already subtract. Then go to the bodies to combine, that means the pattern yours. I have selected the bodies to pattern, and from the show preview you can see that there is a mold cavity already is there. Okay, then click OK, and our object is completely ready. So you can see that there is a solid body and there is a mold and there is a cavity. Basically it is a kind of mold. If you want to fill up the both side, if you want to make the both side, then you have to go just only front place again, select normal, and then go to the mirror option, select bodies to mirror, and unticked merge result, and click OK. So definitely here you can see that there is a solid body, and we cannot see the cavity on the solid body because we are give this both side there. Okay, now we just set to the section view, and then you can easily show your cavity on your object. Okay, I select a color, then click OK. So here is our project to making a cavity on a solid body. And also, so thank you viewer. If you are like this video, please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like and share our videos. Thank you very much.